Hey guys, so got a package today. What could it be? We're gonna try this on in a little bit, just a few minutes. Don't you love it when Amazon drops stuff off at your door? So I got the bodysuit, so I'm going to try it on and then we'll do a test fit, see how things are going. So, be right back. Alright, hey everybody, so I got the undersuit on and I decided to try a test fit, so here you go. And so shirt's got to be trimmed up because it's way long down here, but right here's my knee, so that's where the gray is going to start. So I'm probably going to have to do some adjustment on the shirt. I think it's because it's hanging about 12 inches, and when I trim it up, see where's the fabric is. The fabric ends right here, which is hard to see when the fabric ends right about here. So you see I got a lot of trimming to do to shorten the hair up on the shirt, but hey, check it out. So I got one leg mostly done. I think it's this one.
Yeah.
Yep. So I like the way the leg's looking. It's because I'm using the romper stomper stuff, it keeps the leg looking kind of like a thin leg. And I'll trim the foot down a little bit and make it better. But there we go. So got to start on the gray, and I'm going to trim the shirt just so I can get a good eye down at the bottom, so I can get a good idea of it. But with the undersuit on, full black undersuit, this arm that's really thin, you see I don't have the glove, it really doesn't look as bad now as it did before. So I think black undersuit really hides everything. But there you go. So I still got to do this leg, and I still got to finish this side. But hey, not bad for a first test. So there you go. Woo. I like to watch it move. So.
You're like those car sales vacuum things that go woo.
Yeah. Woo.
Woo.
So there you go.
Come by
Stop. Okay. There you go. So there you go, everybody. Update. Starting to look like a Wookiee now. So anyway, peace out.